the Skullcandy Grind Fuel. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Skullcandy Grind Fuel True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a user guide, Type-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The earbuds feature 9 hours of listening time, 40 hours with the case. 10 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours. Bluetooth 5.0, app integration with transparency feature, button controls, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IP55 water resistant. The case is on the larger side with a hard plastic feel to it. It has a matte finish all around, and on the top of the lid you have the Skullcandy logo. On the back you have the status LED and USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. The inside part of the lid is a two-tone with an orange accent. Earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case, and you can see the charge status LEDs along with the ear indicators. The case has wireless charging and you can see it here on the charger activate. Taking a look at the earbuds, it has the same matte finish like the case. Ear markings are on the inside face, and the outer face has a logo along with the surface for the button control. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, LED, microphones, and button control. Here they are side by side. Button controls are straightforward. A few taps or a long hold to navigate playback and calls. These have voice commands as well. You can connect to the Skullcandy app, and once connected you will have access to EQ settings, transparency mode, and button assignments, along with general settings. The case comes in at 2.7 by 2 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 56 grams, and the earbuds come in at 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah. We're almost there, I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed, take me there, we can drive away.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my bros raw. No breaks.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Skullcandy Grind Fuel microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in loud and clear, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. I found the fit to be decent. It created a good seal, but I did feel pressure in my ear canals. Also, the button controls will add pressure when navigating, as it requires a bit of push to get some feedback. Build-in quality is good. The case feels durable along with the earbuds. Earbuds will protrude out a bit once seated in your ears. The button controls are responsive and easy to navigate, but as mentioned, it requires a bit of pressure to activate. Battery life is respectable at 9 hours and 40 total with the case. I like the app integration along with the wireless charging. I would have liked to have seen ANC. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it's not lacking at all. You get the heavy deep bass and it doesn't overwhelm. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, but I felt that it was a bit underwhelming. It could have been dialed up a bit. I feel this leans more towards a warm sound signature. Overall, I found the earbuds to be just okay. There are a lot of choices in this price point with better sounds and more features in my opinion. So this is my review of the Skullcandy Grind Fuel True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.